point of the fight. 10 seconds to go before the end of the first round. What a tremendous first round for both sides. I'll give you that first fight. And that's the end of the first round. That was 3 minutes of war. Walang atrasan, the classic encounter between Manny Pacquiao and Arnaldo Barrotillo. Two knockout bouncers lead up to the second round. Manny Pacquiao in white trunks with gold trimmings and Arnaldo Barrotillo in red. Second round scheduled for 12 for the WBC International Super Bantamweight. Barrotillo connecting to the right. Pacquiao backing off. In the first round, Barrotillo dug into the midsection of Manny Pacquiao, hoping to crack open the skin. Led to the loss of Pacquiao.
Ito na.
Of the WBC flyweight title. Ganun pa rin ang ginagawa ni Arnaldo Barrotillo. But right now, Manny Pacquiao has left with the left on the head of Barrotillo. Pursuing Manny Pacquiao. This is only the second round, but the atmosphere here feels like it's already been done.
Explosive nito nga. Atmosphere dito sa Stadium ba?
This is the first venture of our dear friend and brother. They sometimes in big time boxing, and the way is we're going to mark in boxing. Good combination by Arnaldo Barrotillo.
Alis!
Rich, halika na, Rich! Bilis!
Alis ka dyan.
This fight is sanctioned by WBC, the World Boxing Council, and this is the
Pre, 20 lang ang reserve ha? Hoy! Maghahang yan. Rich, hala! Lalagot ka kayo doon. Yan na. Hindi ka na rito, bilis! Pasok na rito, pasok na! Diyan ang external ko. Sana doon na lang kayo nanood.
Kaya nga eh.
Uy, hanggang 20 lang daw, maghahang yan.
Nung bumalik na, kausap natin si Mark Pitts. Sabi niya,